Hi and welcome back. Today we are sharing our absolute favorite chewy chocolate chip cookie recipe. Start with 2 1/4 cups of flour, add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and whisk that all together. Now in a larger bowl, start with 3/4 cups of butter, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 1 egg at room temperature, and 2 teaspoons of real vanilla. And give that a really good stir. Next, add your dry ingredients and get that nice and incorporated together. And while I'm mixing here, we would really love it if you would subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we have a new video. And your cookie dough should look just like this. Next, add in your chocolate chips and mix until they're evenly distributed throughout your cookie dough. This recipe will make 12 cookies. And bake these for about 10 to 12 minutes. Take them out when they look slightly undercooked, just like this. Now that is a perfect chocolate chip cookie. See you next time.